Hi, good morning, class. My name is Caitlin, and today for this week's mini lecture, I will be discussing the differences between symmetric and asymmetric bimanual coordination, as well as I will be discussing why asymmetric bimanual coordination is much more difficult to learn than symmetric. So to begin, for this, let's go ahead and define what bimanual is. Bimanual is the use of two arms. So this could be two hands or two arms in any movement or some form of coordination. So then from there, symmetric bimanual movements or coordination would be having your hands move in the same way. So this can be seen as clapping your hands or just doing the same movement with both of your arms. For asymmetric, that would mean that they are not the same. So this would be seen as patting your head and rubbing your stomach. You're trying to do two different movements with your arms. And as we all know, trying to pat your head and rub your stomach is one of the hardest things you can do because your body's wanting to do the same thing. We inherently prefer motor control systems to be the same for moving limbs. This uses a lot of the spatial and temporal preferences in the way that we use our limbs. And so when we go ahead and try to tap our head and rub our stomach, that is something that we have to learn. That is not an innate preference in our bodies. It is just not that way. And so that is why it can be so much more difficult than doing the same movement, which could be clapping or tapping both of your hands. So those are the differences between bimanual, symmetric and asymmetric, and as well as to why it is harder for doing asymmetric movements.